This is called reverse Jenga. You take a piece and put it on the top and see who makes it fall. But first you have to answer a question. Isn't that right, Ethan?
Your brother wants to go shopping, but you want to stay home and watch a good movie on TV. Convince him that both of you should stay home.
Now it's hot outside, and you hate hot. I think you should stay at home today and watch movie with me.
Okay, put one on top. Is it gonna fall? Oh, that means it's my turn. Film me. My neighborhood of 45 houses, and there's a guard, but parking is underground. So you can enter the house through the basement. And then if I want to take out the trash, I go through the community and say hi to the guard. It's a nice community. And now, I'm gonna mess this up for Ethan, because I'm gonna get this. I had too much confidence.